is it?
Fresh milk. It's fresh milk. Good. What? You buy.
Yum, yum.
Ooh.
Milk does a body good. Milk does
Makes your body good. You laugh. Body.
What do you say, man? What do you say we send
The milk. Yeah. I love mwah. Bismillah. Bismillah. Bismillah.
What the?
from? Where does it come from? What animal? What animal?
You know?
What animal?
Hey,
Where did it came from?
comes from the mama. Mama breast.
Puppies. From mom, the mom cow. Yeah.
Hey,
This one is amba. It's a blend, but it's good. There's no sugar. Today is weekend. We are here in the mall. I will see you in next video. Please subscribe, like, and share.